What do I do now? Credit, debt management, and planning for financial success. Whether you have questions about credit repair, debt management, buying your first home, buying your first car, or preparing for retirement by Chauncy Williams. Foreword. Chauncy Williams is a remarkable person. I know that from witnessing the remarkable work that he has given to his community over the years. As I know him as an inspiring youth with a thirst for sharing and learning, Chauncy pursued his interests by attending one of the nation's prestigious universities. Upon completing his graduation degree, he was determined to learn more, and he did. Upon achieving a postgraduate degree, he felt that he had acquired the necessary information to return home to help his family and friends in the community that he loved. As a child, Chauncy always exhibited an inner spirit of good will towards others. Professionally, he decided to enter the field of education, in which he used his training to apply the many aspects and concepts to improve student learning and academic success. As a youth who came from humble beginnings, he recognized the economic and social changes that were occurring in his community. This community was once a center for financial manufacturing with a strong labor force and is now struggling to offer stable jobs and a quality living in a global and national economic recession. Tough times are not new for Chauncy. Growing up in a declining urban area with its structural limitation were daunting challenges. Faced with growing jobless rates and high levels of poverty, Chauncy believes that financial success can be achieved even during the most difficult economic conditions. His missionary approach is characteristic of his humanitarian efforts. Critical financial decisions incorporated with strong value for education and a determination to improve oneself is reflected in his writings. Chauncy found a way that embodied the innocent enthusiasm of goodwill and a profound desire to improve the lives of others through financial success. His book offers basic financial information which can benefit the everyday working Joe or Mary who wants to have a better financial foundation but struggle without knowing how to do it. Marvin A. Nash, Sr., a friend and colleague. Acknowledgements. To my beautiful wife, Janetta Kirkland, for believing in me when everyone else didn't. You are the best. Inspirations. My Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Ira and Frankie Williams. Aunt Ollie, Frank Davis I, Dewey Russ, Madretta Hughes, Dr. June Rivers, Billy Copeland, Lee Gilbert, Alonzo Harris, Rod Warwick, Emma Williams, Tina Williams, Tammy Williams, Ricard Stimmage. Introduction. He began writing this book several years ago. It took many years to realize the importance of information being shared and examined through multiple lenses. I wanted to share my story and experiences in hopes of encouraging others to take the same steps I have toward financial freedom. Before beginning my journey, I was a young entrepreneur trying to break into the real estate business. I had a functioning credit repair business while working as a math teacher and coach, making good money. Then my best friend died in 2003. My beloved mother acquired an illness that caused kidney failure, which ultimately led her to her homegoing. 6 months later, my advisor and mentor and biggest fan, Tammy Terrell Williams, passed away. This is something that really hurt me mentally and physically, and was hard for me to overcome. Not having such strong figures in my life caused me to struggle day to day. That summer, in the month of May, my then live-in girlfriend left me and took everything but the kitchen sink. The day she left, I received a layoff notice from the school district where I worked and as a teacher. After all this, you would think that I would be suicidal, but God works in mysterious ways. That Monday, I received a check for $10,000. That doesn't seem like much, but the time was a miracle for me. With that check and a good credit score, I went on to purchase 5 homes and learn the mortgage business. My hope is that after reading this book, you'll be more focused on what you need to do in order to get your life back to a better place financially. I hope to encourage readers to begin thinking about and taking their financial situation seriously. This book is designed to help individuals see the value of understanding credit and issues related to credit. Remember, in order to get where you want to be in life, having a vision is essential. Once your vision is established, keep that as your focus every day. Focus all of your energy on your vision and remain around positive people that can help it can come true. Those people will help you build your dream easily. Congratulations, you're on your way to financial freedom, aka balling.